guys, thanks for checking this video out. So in this video we are going to discuss about MySQL Windows function. This is the complete series in which we will be covering everything related with Windows function in MySQL. To gain knowledge about MySQL, I would recommend you to visit my playlist on MySQL, which will give you the understanding of MySQL right from the installation till further for you to become an expert in that. Now, in this section, in this series, we will discuss about Windows function in MySQL. To refer to MySQL basic series to get the understanding, I have mentioned the URL in the description of this video. Please feel free to go ahead and check those videos out. Okay, so let's get back to this video, this series. So sometimes we need first-hand analysis of the data. For example, what's the status of something as of today? Or what is the status at this moment of that particular something? So such type of queries can be generated using RDBMS. Now let's take the example of Amazon. Okay, if you search for a product, you filter and then filter again to display the product as per the popularity or as per the top reviews or as per the cost. Now after you review the product or you buy the product, it also shows people who have bought that particular product have also bought another product. For example, it shows people who have bought product A has also bought product B. So for that, at SQL level, you can do first-hand analysis at variety of levels. Now Windows function is specially used for data analysis. Now let's understand what is a window. So a window is a subset of data from a table and functions that can operate on these subset of data are called Windows function. So as I said, Windows functions are primarily used for data analysis. And how this can be done, that is going to be our objective in this series. So there are two categories of Windows function. The first one is aggregate function and the second one is non-aggregate function. So when we talk about aggregate function, all the traditional SQL aggregate functions, that is max, min, sum, count, average, can be used as Windows function. And then there comes non-aggregate function, which can be used for ranking of data or looking at the percentage of distribution, etc. So the learning of this series would be how to create a window, how these aggregate and non-aggregate function be used on the window, and what type of output it will make. So stay tuned. We will be looking at each and every aspect of Windows function in MySQL. And do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.